Hey everyone, Matthew here. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all having a wonderful Thursday. It is February 12th, 2026, and you're tuned into the Nasdaq Daily Recap. Market news and economic landscape. Today's economic calendar was relatively light, but we did have a few key data points that helped shape the session. At 8:30 a.m., we received initial jobless claims and continuing jobless claims. At 10 a.m., existing home sales were released. On the earnings front, Applied Materials and Airbnb were scheduled to report after the bell, giving traders something to position around into the close. Overnight session. When futures reopened at 6 p.m., the index initially dipped. Our robot stepped in and entered a long position. As the Asian markets opened, buyers came in and steadily pushed the index higher. Momentum improved through the overnight session, and our long position moved into unrealized profit as price action stabilized. Pre-market data and volatility. During the early morning hours, the market held firm ahead of the 8:30 a.m. jobless claims data. At 8:30 a.m., initial jobless claims came in at 227 Ks, down from 232 Ks. Continuing jobless claims came in at 1.862 million, up from 1.841 million. The mixed but generally stable labor data was enough to keep buyers engaged, and the market moved higher following the release. Cash session and intraday trades. At the 9:30 a.m. cash open, the market quickly dipped. Cisco continued to slide following its earnings reaction, adding pressure to the tech sector. Our overnight long position was closed into strength for a profit. As downside momentum built, our robot flipped direction and entered a short position. At 10 a.m., existing home sales came in at 3.91 million, down from 4.27 million. The weaker housing data added further pressure, and the market extended lower. Our short position was closed for a profit as momentum began to stall. Before noon, realized profit stood at $415. Afternoon session and into the close. The afternoon session remained weak, with tech continuing to struggle. Volatility compressed slightly, so our robot shifted into scalping mode, executing multiple shorter duration trades and capitalizing on intraday swings. By the end of the session, total profit for the day on the future side reached $364. After the bell, Applied Materials and Airbnb released earnings. AMAT jumped on its report, while Airbnb dipped. However, the overall impact on the index was minimal, as the broader market tone had already been established during regular hours. Summary. Today was a down day for the tech sector overall, with weakness concentrated in large cap names. Our robot generated $364 trading 1i Micro MNQ, $162 trading 100 shares of MSDOR. Total profit for the day reached $526. Thank you again for tuning in. I'm Matthew, wishing you all an amazing evening. I'll see you tomorrow for the next Nasdaq Daily Recap.